Hello viewers. Today we have a pair of LG air conditioners. Kind of really inherited these at this location, and it appears to me that one is older than the other. This one, pretty cool, with actual just switches, analog. And then this one is digital. Clearly this needs to be serviced. And the digital one, I'm guessing that's the one that's being used. I'm sure the rationale is, oh, it's newer, let's use this one. It's better. Depends if you like digital. I suppose with the set it and forget it temperature, that's why. So it'll turn on and off or whatever. Or this, I don't know if that will happen. No, I don't think it will, because you can't set the thermostat. So for something to do for myself, we'll take a look at these today, clean them up. And I think the owner told me that they either got them with this house or they bought them on Craigslist. I can't remember, a while ago. So we'll investigate that. Get this one back in. Those shouldn't be a problem to clean. I don't know how dirty that's gonna be in there. So for those of you who follow the channel know that I am not a, typically not an air conditioner guy, collector. So if I'm missing the obvious on this, somebody tell me. So is that 6,000 BTU? These go in the smaller rooms, R32. And is there a model? This one. 5,000 BTU. Okay, so this one's a little smaller. So what I think happens, what was explained to me, is this one goes in a bedroom. And it was explained to me that one goes into like more of like a living space. And that would make sense, because you could, it will obviously make sense because it's 6,000 versus 5,000 BTUs, and the living area is bigger than the bedroom. The bedrooms are kind of small. There is a third air conditioner, but that's installed in someone's bedroom at the moment and in use. Now, I do hear or see videos of when you guys are talking about air conditioners that the register, if you will, is on top versus on the front, kind of. And I agree, I like that better, obviously for reasons of just recycling the same air coming in and out. But also, I think it's also good to use, or it's good that way, because as we know, the cold air tends to just fall to the floor, and the warmer air rises in a room. Well, if it's already starts out on top and blowing up, then you know, you have a better chance of cooling the whole room versus the air just dropping to the lower portion of the room. Also, I think it's kind of nice if your windows are lower. You know, you have a better shot of the cooler air being kind of like face or upper torso level. So today, really just going to check these out. Don't think I need to open them up. They're not really necessarily mine to open up. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go that far unless I see that it needs it, and then I'll make a case. But it's something to do on this misty, muggy, 80-degree day. It'll probably be good to run these to pull the, I mean, if you pick up a piece of paper today, it's like soaking wet. It's 95% humidity actually. So we'll see if we can get these going, installed and going for something to do. Minimal, cleaning out the air filter, and then just kind of do a visual inspection of the rest. So thanks for watching, and if there's anything you can tell me about this as a brand, is it garbage? Is it solid? And I didn't look too hard, obviously, to see what years these are. So maybe somebody could tell me a little bit about that. All right, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and educate me on air conditioners. See you on the next one.